guys, it's me Harkness, and today we're going to be doing a review on the US Army M40 gas mask.
Grizzly, this is Darkstar. See you out. Darkstar copies all. Go ahead.
The M40 gas mask was developed by the US government and issued to US Marines and Navy personnel. This gas mask was created to replace the venerable M17 gas mask seen during the Gulf War, Vietnam War, and was featured prominently in the movie Jarhead. The M40 had many prototypes like the XM40, which was the main mask of the mercenary and military stalkers present in all three Stalker games. The M40 also made many pop culture appearances, like in the game Opposing Force and Half-Life 1, as the Marines and Adrian Shepard are seen wearing it with green inserts. Although this mask was now replaced by the M50, this mask still sees plenty of use by the US military and is a prized possession to many gas mask collectors, famed for its durable design and its comfort.
Grizzly, this is Darkstar. See you out. Darkstar copies.
As you can see, here is the bag in which the mask is housed in. It's made out of a very durable nylon. I trust this one. And it's held together with these Velcro. And on the back, you could see a strap. Mine can't come with a belt strap. I don't know why. But this particular bag that I had come with a heavy-duty sling strap that goes around your shoulder. And here you could see a faint US stamp. And also, around the bag are mini compartments to hold your decontamination kit, which is located at the bottom. And as you can see, the bag is very spacious and has 3 small pockets to hold the manual and other items you happen to keep. So this is the decontamination lid. I honestly don't know how to use this thing, so we'll just leave it at that, but trust me, it's a decontamination wipe for your mask. And it came with a waterproof bag for the mask. I'm not gonna tear that open. And then it came also with a bunch of instructions. In the instructions, it shows you how to change your lens, how to maintain your mask, and how to drink with the drinking tube. It also came with a chemical hood. This particular chemical hood that I got did not come with a zipper. I don't know why. Maybe it's an old chemical hood. And you could see the stamping: Hood Chemical Biological M40A1, M42A1, lot number 021 with a stamp. And this is the filter. It's called the C2 filter. These filters are pretty much safe. However, they're rumored to have chromium, so I wouldn't use this. I'd rather buy a brand new filter, but for now, for the sake of the review, I'll be using it. And it has a manufacturer's stamp. Mine was RFT92B00301B. And finally, you have the mask itself. It looks very nice and it's extremely comfortable. Another interesting thing about the mask is that it has a drinking tube right under the voice amplifier. This drinking tube, as long as your canteen has the adapter, you'll be able to drink through it. So here we could see the voice diaphragm. You could even attach a voice amplifier for this thing. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find one. Then on the right side of the mask is a exhale valve. And finally, you see the inside of the mask. If you could notice, the mask is made out of 2 layers, a silicone inner layer and then a rubber outer layer. This was done because the silicone is extremely comfortable. However, depends on the chemical situation, the silicone could melt. So the rubber is there to protect the silicone layer. Silicone for comfort, rubber for protection. So you could see, and if you could see, there is also a drinking tube under the mask near the compartment in which your nose sits in. That thing gets in the way when I sometimes talk. So here's the gas mask filter, and here's how the filter looks like inside. Anyways, what you can do to test if your filter is good, this is a pretty old filter. I'm a bit worried. What you could do is that you could take a clean sheet of paper and then just kick it out and see if there are any specks of carbon that come out. Yeah, you could clearly see that this thing is an old filter. A bit tiny dots of carbon came out. Wait, let me show. No, it's hard to see. Just give it a good tap. Like 3 dots of carbon came out. I'm an asthmatic guy, so I'm gonna use this for the review. But yeah, this is a pretty old filter. Get yourself brand new filters, they're not that expensive. So yeah, make sure to do that test when you're looking for filters. And as you could see, something interesting about this mask is that it comes with this kind of strap. What people would do is that they would make the straps of these long and then place it in front, and then you could quickly pull these straps over to your head for an emergency NBC situation. So that's what you could do. But my strap's already pre-adjusted. I don't want to mess with that. I feel lazy. So to put on the mask, you have to do like this. And then you could do a pressure check. So yeah, there's a negative pressure. This mask is safe, no gaps. The only thing I'd change for this mask is I'd replace the filter. But other than that, it's pretty good. The drinking tube is hitting my mouth a bit. I wonder how this thing sounds like with a voice amplifier. I don't have one, unfortunately, but they're pretty cheap. Other than that, I really like this mask. It is one of the most comfortable gas masks I've had the pleasure of wearing. And by the way, in case you're wondering, this mask fits 40mm NATO threads, so it will probably fit the Israeli filters and other brand new Mira filters that last 20 years. It looks really cool, and I really like this mask, and if you're a gas mask collector, go ahead. It's got my seal of approval. However, be aware of the dangers of the C2 filter. Some of them might contain chromium. So anyways, this has been Harkness signing off. And as always, life is always good. Make the best out of it. See you on the next review. Bye.